Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index pushed back above the 100 level early in the week, extending prior gains as escalating tensions in the Middle East boosted safe haven demand. However, sentiment quickly shifted after President Trump ordered a 5-day delay on planned strikes against Iran's energy infrastructure pending ongoing negotiations. The dollar reacted immediately, dropping from around 100.15 to 98.88 and is now stabilizing near 99.1. WTI crude prices plunged more than 10% on Monday, falling to around $87.60 per barrel after President Trump announced a 5-day pause on military action targeting Iran's energy infrastructure. The move followed what he described as constructive talks with Iran, with further discussions expected this week. This decision eased immediate supply concerns, particularly around the Strait of Hormuz, a critical global oil transit route. Gold tumbled as much as 8% on Monday, dropping below $4,100 and hitting its lowest level in 4 months. The decline came as rising oil prices and hawkish central bank signals pushed markets toward a stagflation narrative, increasing pressure on non-yielding assets like gold. However, prices later recovered part of the losses as easing geopolitical tensions helped stabilize sentiment and reduce pressure from surging bond yields. The Japanese yen weakened sharply on Monday, breaking above the key 160 level that previously triggered intervention concerns. Japan's top currency official, Atsushi Mimura, stated that authorities are ready to take all necessary measures to address excessive volatility. He also highlighted the impact of Middle East tensions and rising oil prices on the yen, noting the direct effect on daily life. The currency failed to hold last week's gains despite the Bank of Japan keeping rates unchanged while signaling a tightening bias. The euro slipped to around 1.155 at the start of the week as investors moved into the US dollar amid rising inflation concerns driven by Middle East tensions. After briefly falling below 1.15, euro rebounded sharply and climbed back above 1.16, turning positive on the day. The recovery was supported by improved risk sentiment following Trump's decision to delay strikes on Iran's infrastructure, which reduced demand for the dollar.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.